The market shoots lower as our expected pullback continues. How low can we go? This is Invest with Jacob. Okay guys, so the market continued selling yesterday, giving us a continuation of the pullback we've been looking for. And while the 1 hour and 4 hour charts suggest a small bounce, the daily chart says we can go much lower. How low can we go? I'll get into that in just 1 second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500 and the NASDAQ. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. All right, guys, so over the last few months, the market has kind of been moving all over the place, and we have been absolutely crushing it. As you can see our trades on the screen, we make bigger swing trades, and we are up 30% on our money. Now, these aren't just $1 trades where $1.30 is 30%. These are bigger trades that are impacting people's bank accounts and lives. And if you'd like to be a part of that, please stay tuned for later in the video. For now, let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 1 hour futures chart of the S&P 500. And what we got yesterday was essentially an extension here of wave 3 down. So remember, we were tracking this A wave down, and if it stopped at 39.65, which was our original target, we were looking for an ABC to complete a smaller wave A, and then a B wave, and then a C wave. And now I think we're just completing wave A overall, and then we'll have wave B up and C down. So what that looks like off the top is you have this A wave down and this B wave up, and now you're in wave C, where you have 1, 2, and you got 3 down. And this could be the bottom. I told my guys in the room today that 39.20 should be the area we would look for a bounce, and that's what we saw. But I don't see a 4 and 5 on here yet, and typically what you would see is a bounce up for 4 and then a move down in 5. So it is possible we have a small bounce and then lower to go to complete this wave A around the 38.80 area. Now, if it is the bottom, okay, then we're looking for a bigger bounce in this B wave, and that B wave should take us up to the 40.16 to 40.38 area, and then we would see the C wave down, okay, from there. So this B wave would come up to 40.16 to 40.38. Then you'd look for that C wave down toward that 37 to 3800 we've been talking about, and that would be if we've bottomed here and this is not wave 3. Now, again, I do think we still need a 4 and 5 just based on overall structure here. And that wave 4 targets 39.75. So what we're looking for as our primary count is that this wave 4 up stops at 39.75, and the wave 5 down takes us down toward the 39.80 area or 38.80 area to complete this wave A. And then from there we would look for the bounce up in 3 waves in wave B, and then C down from there toward the 37,3800 area. So that's what we're looking at as the primary count. If they have bottomed, again, the secondary count is that we're going to move directly up to this 40.16 to 40.38 area, and then down in C and skip this 4 leg right here, skip this little spike in wave 4. The 1 hour and 4 hour charts are supporting a bounce right now, and that should take us up to a minimum of this 39.75 area, 39.55 at minimum. That's the low end of a wave 4 target, and then 39.75 is a standard target, and then down from there toward the 38.80 area. But again, that bounce could take us up into the 50% to 61% retrace, which would be wave B territory. And so we'd look at this wave A being complete, a wave B bounce, and then a wave C down to the 37,3800 area. Over on the NASDAQ, as you would expect, very similar counts here, and we got the straight move down with no 4 and 5, so we are counting this as wave 3 down. And assuming they have bottomed in wave 3, our primary path is that we've got this wave 3 down, wave 4 up to the 11,696 area, and then a wave 5 down to the 11,300 area to complete wave A. Then you'd look for that B wave bounce up toward the 11,823 to 11,899 area, and then C down to the 11,100 to 11,000 area. So that would be our primary path and what we're looking for next out of the market. However, if they have bottomed, okay, we would count this as all of A down, and we'd look for a bigger bounce up toward that 11,823, 11,899 area for wave B, and then a C wave down toward the 11,100 to 11,000 area. So very similar counts on both charts, as is usually the case, as they trade pretty much in step. And the setup now is for a bounce and then a move lower after that. As I said, the daily chart is just now crossing over on the MACD and still very overbought, so there's plenty of room for this market to move down. So even though we may see these small bounces here, I do expect lower overall. Guys, if you like the information I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to check out investwithjacob.com. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link and it'll take you right over to the website. Once you're there, check out our membership plans area. We have 2 incredible plans and they both come with a 7-day free trial because I want you to get in there, make sure you love it, become part of our trading team before you ever spend a penny. You can cancel at any time. In our first room, the Invest with Jacob room, you get all of my real-time market updates, all of my buy and sell alerts, all of your Elliott Wave questions answered, as well as a midday video where I go through the counts in real time and show you what's playing out as the day is trading and answer all of your questions. We trade the SPY and the QQQ and we swing trade, which means our trades can last anywhere from a few days to a few months, so we don't trade quite as often as a day trading room does. However, if you are interested in day trading, as well as individual stocks, you need to check out PT's Throne Room. In there, you get everything you get in the Invest with Jacob room, as well as individual stocks, day trading, and PT's reduced risk binary method that absolutely crushes the market. He gets you in at a cheap price and gets you big multiples on your money, and it's how he structures the trade that's so unique. It's something you really have to see to understand, and that's another reason we give you that 7-day free trial. He also started a challenge account where he put $4,000 into an account trading mini ES futures, averaging 3 to 4% gains per week, showing you how to build a small account into a large retirement or savings account. Guys, we would love to have you in these rooms to be part of the trades that I showed you earlier in the video because I want us to all make money together. All right, key takeaways for today. Our primary path shows a bounce. Whether that is a wave 4 or a wave B is to be determined, but our primary path is that it's wave 4 up toward 39.75. And then a wave 5 down from there towards 38.80. However, if it is going to be the bigger B wave bounce, we would look for that bounce up to the 40.16 to 40.38 areas, and then we would look for that C wave down from there. Over on the NASDAQ, same type of setup. Our primary path is looking for that wave 4 bounce up into the 11.696 area. However, if they are going to go for the bigger bounce, we would look for that to be the 11.814 to 11.88 area on the NASDAQ. Guys, that is your market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.